Hello students, this video is the continuation of the last video in which we understood how the deer, crow, tortoise and the mouse became good friends. Let's see now what happens when one day the deer did not turn up to their meeting place and the crow in search of the deer in the forest. Soon he saw the deer trapped in a net on the bank of a river. The deer was caught in a net, probably spread by a hunter to catch animals. When the crow found the deer on the river bank, caught up in a net, he went back and told his friends what he had seen. "We must do something quickly, otherwise the hunter will come and take him away," said the tortoise. The mouse said, "If the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes." The crow picked the mouse in his beak and flew it to the river bank. So the mouse cut the ropes. When the other animals realize the danger in which their friend is in, they got ready to help him. They need to be fast. They cannot be slow. They need to do something quickly. If not, they will lose their friend forever. The hunter may take their friend. Therefore, the crow take the mouse to the river bank to cut the net. The deer was free. The tortoise too came crawling. As the four friends were about to leave, they saw the hunter coming. The friends were all the four of them. They were almost ready to leave and go away from there. But at the same time, the hunter was coming closer. They saw him. Before I continue, let's see the animals that crowl. In the story, you know the tortoise crows. Let's see other animals. Which are they? The lizard, spider, and crocodile. These are the examples of animals which crows. Let's continue. When they saw the hunter getting close, the crow flew up to a tree. The mouse ran and hid himself in the grass. The deer also ran away. The crow flew and sat on a tree. It fly very high. That's why the hunter cannot catch him. Where did the mouse go? Mouse is very small. So it hid himself in the grass. Now in the grass, the hunter cannot find him. And deer? Yes, it quickly ran away from there. What about tortoise? However, the tortoise was slow and got caught. Poor tortoise could not go fast. It always moves slowly. And because of that, it got caught by the hunter. This comes to the end of today's lesson. I hope you understood whatever the explanation I gave. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.